everyone. In this video, we will teach you about the four types of sequence in the first quarter of Mathematics 10. I hope you enjoy and learn some lessons in this video.
A sequence is an ordered list of numbers or other elements like geometric objects that usually follow a specific pattern or function. Sequences can be both finite and infinite. Is a chain of numbers or other objects that usually follow a particular pattern. Individual elements in a sequence are called terms.
First sequence is the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is where every term after the first term is obtained by adding the common difference. The formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times b. For example, 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. It is obtained by adding 4 to the first term, which is 3 plus 4 is equals to 7, and 7 plus 4 is equals to 11, and then so on. Number 2 is 40, 9, and 4. Now let's find the missing two terms. But before we start finding the missing two terms, we will find the common difference first. Our a sub 1 is 40 and a sub 2 is 9. Now let's subtract the a sub 2 and a sub 1. Now let's proceed to the arithmetic formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now let's substitute the given terms. A sub 4 is equals to 14 plus quantity of 4 minus 1 times negative 5. First, we will subtract 4 minus 1 and then the new equation will be 14 plus 3 times negative 5. And then after that, we will multiply 3 times negative 5. So, the last equation will be 14 plus negative 15. Now, our a sub 4 is negative 1. Now that we found the fourth term, let's now find the last term, which is the fifth term. A sub 5 is equals to 14 plus quantity of 5 minus 1 times negative 15. Now the new equation will be 14 plus 4 times negative 5. And then now we will multiply 4 times negative 5. The new equation again will be 14 minus 20. So the answer for a sub 5 is equals to negative 6. Now let's move to the next topic, which is the arithmetic series. In this topic, we will find the further term like 7, 11, 15, and 19. Let's find the S sub 7. The formula for arithmetic series is S sub n equals to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times b over 2. Our sequence is 7, 11, 15, and 19. Let's find the S sub 7. Our A sub 1 is 7, our N is 7, and our S sub N is S sub 7. Our common difference is missing, so before we start, we need to find it first. Our common difference, we will subtract the second term and the first term. So 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. Our common difference is 4. Now that we found our common difference, let's now substitute the other givens to the formula of arithmetic series. S sub 7 is equals to 2 times 7 plus quantity of 7 minus 1 times 4 over 2. Our new equation will be 14 plus 6 times 4 over 2. After we multiply 6 by 4, our new equation again will be 14 plus 24 over 2. And the answer for 14 plus 24 is 38. Now we divide 38 by 2. 38 divided by 2 is 19. So our S sub 7 is 19.
The second topic is a geometric sequence. It is a sequence where each term after the first term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by its common ratio. The formula for the geometric sequence is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. You can get the common ratio by dividing the preceding term by its previous term. Here is an example. 2, 4, 8, and 16. We will have to find the next term or the fifth term. But first, we will have to get the common ratio. To get the common ratio, we will just have to divide the 4 by 2. So the common ratio will be 2. We can now substitute the numbers that we've got to the geometric formula, which will be a sub 5 is equals to 2 times 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, which will be 4. And 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So a sub 5 is equals to 2 times 16, which is 32. Another example is if the given is a sub 1 is equals to 5 and a sub 4 is equals to 625. We will have to find the common ratio and the numbers in between the two terms. In order to get the common ratio, we will have to use this formula. R is equals to n minus k root of a sub n over a sub k, which will be R is equals to 4 minus 1 root of 625 over 5, which will be the cube root of 125. So the answer is R is equals to 5. Once again, we will have to use the geometric formula. It will be a sub 2 is equals to 5 times 5 to the power of 2 minus 1, which will be a sub 2 is equals to 5 times 5, which is 25. And a sub 3 is equals to 5 times 5 to the power of 3 minus 1, which will be 5 times 5 squared, and 5 squared is equals to 25. So 5 times 25 will be 125. The next topic is the sum of a geometric sequence. Formula for the summation of the geometric sequence is S sub n is equals to a sub 1 times the quantity of r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. Here is an example. 4, 16, 64, and 256. First, we will have to find the common ratio and then the S sub 10. To find the common ratio, we will have to divide 16 by 4, which will be 4. By using the formula for the sum of the geometric sequence, we will get S sub 10 is equals to 4 times the quantity of 4 to the power of 10 minus 1 over 4 minus 1. It will be 4 times the quantity of 1,048,576 minus 1 over 3. It will be 4 times 1,048,575 over 3. So it will be 4,194,300 over 3. So S sub 10 is equals to 1,398,100. That is all for the geometric sequence.
Let's go to the next topic, which is finding the position of term. Finding the position of term have a formula of a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n over the common ratio. For example, A sub 1 is 5 and our common ratio is 3, which term is 45. Our a sub n is 45. So now we can now substitute our given terms into the formula of finding the position of term. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 times the common ratio raised to n over the common ratio. Our a sub n is 45, our a sub 1 is 5, and our common ratio is 3. So we will now have a new equation which is 45 is equals to 5 times 3 raised to n over 3. We will now proceed to the cross multiplication, which is 45 times 3 and 5 times 3 raised to n is times 1. We will now have a new equation which is 5 times 3 raised to n is equals to 135. In our new equation, we need to remove the 5, so we need to cancel it out by dividing it. 5 times 3 raised to n is equals to 135 divided by 5. So 5 is cancelled out, and 135 divided by 5 is 27. We have the equation is 3 raised to n is equals to 27. Our basis here is 3. So we need to find the cube root of the 27. The cube root of the 27 is 3. Our new equation is 3 raised to n is equals to 3 raised to 3. So our n is 3. The position of the 45 is a sub 3.
The third sequence is the harmonic sequence. Harmonic sequence is the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequence. Example number 1. Find the harmonic sequence of 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 is the sequence 2, 3 over 1, 6 over 1, 9 over 1, 12 over 1. Let's get the reciprocal of this sequence to get the harmonic sequence. 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 9, 1 over 12 is the reciprocal and the harmonic sequence of 3, 6, 9, 12. Example number 2. 9, 18, 27, 36. Find the harmonic sequence of a sub 7. Our given terms are a sub 1 is 9, a sub 2 is 18, a sub n is a sub 7, and find the d. Before we proceed to the arithmetic formula, let's find the common difference. D equals a sub 2 minus a sub 1 equals 18 minus 9. Our common difference is 9. Now that we find the common difference, let's substitute the given terms. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 d. A sub 7 equals 9 plus 7 minus 1. Let's substitute the 7 minus 1 to get the next equation. Equals 9 plus 6 times 9. Let's now multiply the 6 quantity of 9 to get the new equation. Our new equation is 9 plus 54, a sub 7 is 63. Let's get the reciprocal of 63. Find the harmonic sequence. 63 over 1 is the 1 over 63.
The
The last sequence is Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence kung saan unang dalawang term ay alinman sa parehong 1 o 0 at 1. Example, 1, 1 at 0, 1. Ito ay laging mauuna sa Fibonacci. Example, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Find the next term. So, paano natin nakuha ang 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13? Pagpa-plus nila natin ito. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Pumunta naman tayo sa find the next term. A sub 9 equals 8 plus 13 equals 21. A sub 10 naman, 13 plus 21 equals 34. A sub 11, 21 plus 34 equals 35. The next three term is 21, 34, 55.